The number one reason to read is because a world-class education is contained right in these pages. Great books, as well as other great works of art, should be the curriculum, not textbooks and lecture. That's why, as a homeschooler, I've created a World Scholar community for homeschooled youth to read and discuss these great books together with experienced mentors. We just finished a 12-week course called Stories of Russia with my host sister Olia, who joins us from Russia, in which we peeled back the layers of Russian literature, poetry, art, and even propaganda. And then we discussed them as a class over Zoom. You would not believe the insights and connections that 12 to 16-year-olds are capable of when you ask the right questions. Our discussions span subject matter: history, literature, science, math, geography, politics, psychology, economics. I would love to see you at our virtual open house, where you can meet our mentors and even a few alumni. Get the Zoom link at 5000stories.com.